Craig, can you talk about gates? Gates are a necessary feature on parts, but often not desirable. What are some things that you've seen that help hide those or keep those inconspicuous for the customers?
Yeah, lots of different design strategies you can look at there. It's not every gate needs to be directly into the side of a part and a parting line gate. So we'll see gate recesses designed in. A lot of people design in features to where we can drop gates into kind of the faces of parts using either direct valve gating or 3-plate style molding. Get those gates in areas to where they're not going to be on a cosmetic surface that's visible on the end product. We see a lot of different scenarios like that and have a lot of different workarounds. We love when customers bring that up and we can look at a design and kind of spin it around with them and figure out what's going to be optimal.
Yeah, and I think of wearables and such, that cosmetic surface is usually large and flat and maybe contoured, but definitely no features on it. So a lot of times you're forced to put the gate on the other side where there are features. And how do you get around working around those features when you got a gate that you need to put in there?
Yep, a lot of that is going to be totally part and mold design dependent, which is why we like to work up front with our customers and figure out how we're going to do that. We look at the parts early on and determine where the best location for the gate's going to be, and we can design around that to be able to get gates in there to very difficult areas where a lot of other suppliers don't want to get into when it comes to reaching in with a small gate funnel.
And a lot of times that when that part comes out of the mold, it's finished. There's no need to de-gate it. There's no worry about debris or extra handling steps. It can be robotically picked and put in a package and not touched.
Exactly, and that's key to really the high volume projects is not having any secondary operations to remove gates. So we'll do either self-shearing gates or use automation to shear the gates as they come out of the mold. But yeah, lots of different options there.